nakakaapekto ba sa personality ng isang tao or ng isang bata o ng kahit sino pag feeling mo lumaki ka tapos may favorite at hindi ikaw yun?
I think I would say merong effect, pero it boils down to how the individual sees that. Like for example, kung ako yung hindi favorite, kunyari ikaw yung favorite, magaling ka sa school. Hindi ako magaling sa school. Chances are gagamitin ko yon parang as a chip on my shoulder. So what I mean is I'll use that as motivation where I'll do things that I like to do and I'll excel on that. Kasi and I'm not saying that this applies to everyone, no? Kasi hindi naman tayo lahat pare-pareho na mental state, na parehas ng belief in life. What I'm saying is where you can use that as a motivation, that's where you can use that. Be better in things that you can be better at. You have control on. Kasi kung may kipaglaban ako, say for example, magaling ka sa math,